So I went to Clutch Kickers, right, and found some shortcomings with my car. So I got some stuff. I am so excited. Oh, that's a heavy box. Oh. Okay, I gotta figure the best way to open this. See, there's a bit of the box here, and then maybe down here. Oh, right, let me cut this here. Yeah. Oh my goodness. What's in the box? What's in the box? Ooh. Just. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. This is awesome. Super, super awesome. Just engineering. Oh, this is fantastic. Super duper fantastic. Super awesome. Oh man, I cannot wait to get these on the car. Oh, come on. All this saran wrap. It just doesn't want to cut. I just want to look at these control arms. There we go. Man, look at that. Oh, this is so cool. Check this out. Got that nice little just engineering touch right there. Got Heim joints. So this will be right side, I'm assuming. Yeah. So this replaces the. So you got your control arm, and then you've got your tension rod. So you don't have the standard tension rod mount, or the standard control arm and separate tension rod with these, because they're a high clearance setup. And there we have it. The Just Engineering AE86 angle kit. This thing is so awesome. So what's great about this angle kit, well, let me see if you can, okay, there we go. So what's great about this angle kit is that it addresses a couple of the issues. So one, you've got knuckles that have adjustable Ackerman, awesome. Two, when you end up having wider control arms with an 8.6, you can't bring the strut further out up top. So we got these that you're gonna have to clearance a bit your shock tower, but it's gonna move your coilover out, so that way you can have better camber, right? So that way you don't have, like right now I've got like -8 degrees of camber, so this is gonna be great. And another thing too is you got these high clearance tension rods set up. So you've got a high clearance control arm, see how it's beveled out a little bit there? So you got high clearance for that, and then you've also got these tension rods. Instead of the tension rod being here, it's further in, so you got tons of clearance here. So all kinds of awesome room, all kinds of, I mean, fantastic stuff. These knuckles have a built-in roll center adjuster as well, so that's fantastic. Man, I am just so super duper excited to run this. So yeah, make sure to check out my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to like, follow, subscribe, all that stuff, because I'm gonna post an install video, some setup stuff, and a review of what I think of it once I got it on the car.